This is the brand new Polaris Freedom, and this is its maiden voyage. Yes, the pool is terribly dirty. That's because the old pool cleaner died a week and a half, 2 weeks ago. We've been trying to get it fixed. We were not successful. So now we have a new family member that lives in our pool, and it is an absolute beast. So I'm gonna run about 2 minutes of footage here just so you can see the before and after. I will do a much more detailed review later on. But let me just tell you, just right out of the box, got a little simple charge on it and cut it free. And wow, it is just leaving a trail of clean behind it. It's just amazing. So I know there's a great app installed and capabilities to do all sorts of really cool stuff. And I know it's powerful and cyclone suction and all this cool stuff and battery life and battery capacity. I'll talk all about that in the review. But for now, I just wanted to run some footage, let you see the swath of clean that follows this thing, the wake of cleanliness. It is just music to our ears and a beautiful sight to see. Our pool is getting clean, and this Polaris Freedom, if you're looking for a cordless option, is super cool. Just an absolute beast. Looks like a tank / sports car. It's just, man, it's great. So anyway, hope the footage helps. I'll run it for just another 30 seconds or so, but again, full review coming. But first impressions is you get what you pay for. Yes, this is an investment, and it's doing a great job. Plus, if you've got an old pool like this one, the plaster starts to break down, algae can grow in those areas. These scrub brushes are just really just chewing through it. Really, really impressed. So anyway, hope you find what you're looking for. If you're looking for a cordless option, this looks like a pretty healthy option.